We'll guide you through how to create a Wix email address. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard. You'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Click on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Mailboxes under the Business Email section. Click on Get a Mailbox. This will take you to the Wix email setup page. Here, you can choose the email plan that best suits your needs. Once you've selected a plan, click Continue. You'll be prompted to choose a domain for your email address. If you already have a domain connected to your Wix site, you can select it here. If not, you can purchase a new domain or connect an existing one. After selecting your domain, you can set your preferred email address. Enter the username you want before the @time symbol, like info or support, and then click Continue. Review your order summary to ensure everything looks good, then click Checkout to proceed with payment. Once your payment is confirmed, your new Wix email address will be set up. You can access your inbox by going back to the Mailboxes section and clicking on Access Mailbox. You'll be redirected to the Wix email platform, where you can start sending and receiving emails. Setting up forwarding or auto-replies can be done within the email platform, under Settings. Remember, having a professional email address can add credibility to your business, making it easier for clients to contact you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.